In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render wireframes in Cinema 4D using Sketch and Tune and Redshift. We'll walk through two practical approaches. First, a quick built-in method you can set up right from the render settings. Then, a more advanced material-based method that gives you precise control over line thickness and color, especially if you're working with Redshift. Let's start with the native route. Open your render settings, go to Effects, and add the shell renderer. Inside that effect, enable edges. With that switch on, Cinema 4D will render the visible edges of your geometry, giving you a clean wireframe look without extra setup. This is perfect when you want a fast, reliable wireframe pass for previews, technical breakdowns, or stylized renders. If your lines look too faint or too heavy, explore the parameters inside the effect and balance them against your scene scale and lighting. Keep in mind that this method is render-based, so you'll see the wireframe in your final output, even if the viewport still shows shaded geometry. Do a quick test render to confirm the look before committing to a longer render. Now, if you need more control, especially over thickness and color, switch to a Redshift workflow and use a wireframe shader node. Create or open a Redshift material and launch the node editor. Add the wireframe node and connect it to your material so it drives the wireframe look, most commonly into the color input, where it defines the appearance of your lines. The benefit here is flexibility. You can dial in the exact line thickness, choose the line and fill colors, and decide how dense or sparse the wires appear. This is great for product visualizations, stylized renderers, or technical overlays where consistency and clarity matter. Apply the material to your object, render and refine. If the wires look too busy, reduce the thickness. If they're too subtle, bump it up or increase contrast between line and fill colors. Because this is material driven, you can apply different wireframe looks to different objects in the same scene without changing global render settings. To recap, the built-in effect with the shell renderer and edges gives you a fast, scene-wide wireframe with almost no setup, ideal for quick results. The Redshift wireframe shader gives you detailed per-material control over thickness and color, making it the better choice when you need precision and consistency. Choose the one that matches your project's needs. Test with short renders and tweak until the lines read clearly. Happy rendering, and I'll see you in the